Look at me showing up like I ain't been here all week. Okay. So I'm scared. There might not be a weekly vlog this week because I really haven't been vlogging. Hold on. I haven't been vlogging. This week has been closed week for work, so I have been working. There's still powdered sugar on my lens. I might have to get something like wet to like clean it up. Right now I'm making a po' boy, okay, with hot sausage, and I'll show y'all what hot sausage look like for the people who don't know. Us Louisiana folks, we love a good hot sausage, okay? They only sell it, I think, down here, but this is Patton's hot sausage, okay? If you're going to get the hot sausage, you need to get Patton's, okay? It's the one to have. So my mama's getting hers on toast. I'm getting mine on a po' boy bread. Let me show y'all how I make it.
Kane is in the building, nigga.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, they ain't violence, keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my sticks, but it's not what it seem. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that I mean. Baddest bitch, now you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini.
Alright, and there you have it, a po' boy. Let me give y'all a little taste. Why not? Hello vlog, I'm vlogging from my phone. I feel like I look crazy now that I see myself in real time. I feel like I look crazy. I'm get it together. I'm currently under what is called the singing tree. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Let me be quiet. A perfect place to do my artist date. I haven't went on an artist date in probably a month. For sure. Like just coming somewhere by myself. I've been doing things with other people, but this is my first artist date in a while, and I'm kind of excited about it. There's also, I'll show y'all like a montage of what it looks like, but there's also like the night little duck rides that's about to happen too, that's on the water. I think I want to do it one day. It's so cute. It looks like it's more romantic, but it looks like a vibe. I'm still working. I haven't really recorded because I've been working all week. I left my camera. I was gonna do a whole setup and show y'all everything of how I'm setting up for my little peaceful moment, but I feel like it's just time for me to have peace to myself. The sun is almost gone, and yeah, I just want to hop on here, say hello 1, 2, and call it a day. Okay, bird. Okay, y'all, I just made it to my nephew's birthday party. I'm about to walk in a second, so I'll see y'all there.
It couldn't fit more perfectly. That's a half a work party on the day you came to be. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya.
I'm making a liquor store run. No liquor. because I know we talked earlier and I wasn't supposed to be going nowhere, but now I'm going out again. Oh my God. So let's roll up in this store. Shout out to Louisiana and see what they're talking about. Alright. We secured the bag of Henny. I was going to show y'all around in there, but I actually met somebody in there who wanted to subscribe to us. And if you're watching, hey! I just met you in Nolan Liquor. Alright, peace. Nigga.
I used to eat 100 things just for lunch, nigga.
Okay, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but this is my brother's best friend. Outside, back outside.
You see the difference? I got on these.
You feel me? I'm freezing. I'm cold as fuck. You feel me? Oh my God.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm a real nigga.
They must hit the alternate.
Ooh,
Listen.
I'm a real nigga. I do real nigga.
I told that girl, fuck you. Ass chop, I call that bitch Beyonce. Just fuck my dogs knocked down all day. Money, power, respect, freedom all day. I put some real niggas on their feet, boy. Ooh.
I see you. I tell her, what's happening? I tell her, like, what's up? What's happening? I see you. What's cracking? What's
Yo, I'm a fire. You made me weak with strong desire. Yeah. Every time my whole night long. I'll be wrong. I just want to say, you're not mine. I can't deny it. Nothing here to talk to you. Take it up, hold up.
Okay, y'all know I'm in a hoopty, so hold up. Let me cut the hoopty, y'all. I don't know how much I'm gonna add to this vlog, but tonight it was a night. I'm gonna just show y'all most of the party stuff, and then we're gonna focus on the full moon ritual tomorrow. I gotta get up early to get groceries for my mother, so I need to check and see what Whole Foods gonna open, and then we'll do grocery shopping, and then we will do a full moon ritual. I know this vlog might be short, but y'all understand, right? It was closed week. We gonna blame it on closed week. And I hope I keep this in because I know I'm tipsy. I know y'all probably like, girl, what the fuck? But listen, here's a tip. I heard done is better than perfect. period. Alright, we are in Winn-Dixie shopping for some Sunday dinner and other stuff. So, let's do it. Oh, that was a super successful store trip. I actually enjoyed every bit of it. I love the way they have it decorated in there. We got some crawfish. We were able to get our weekly flowers for $4. Remember the sales in Winn-Dixie today were selling. The shrimp was $2.99 a pound. The crawfish was $3.99. The flowers were $4. I had to go back in to get more shrimp, literally, because I was like, girl, you need to bring some of these shrimps back with you to LA. Why they $2.99? Okay. I'm excited. I am so
He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their next, they's not breathing. Thumb in a check, blow they Neiman. You thought I was feeling you? No. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? No, I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He with my body, he tell me please. I'm walking past him, he sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry, I wear my boots. How can I link you when I got a shoe?
Hey y'all, editing Nelly here, and once again I forgot to close out the vlog. I was gonna show y'all like my full moon ritual and spiritual bath and all of that stuff, but I think I'm gonna save it for next week's vlog. But this is me signing off. Thank you for watching this week's vlog. I'm still like shook it that people watch my vlogs in general, and I'm excited. I feel like I'm getting better and better every week, but this is the end of this week's vlog. I'll see y'all next week.